One day, Pagong the turtle and Maching the monkey were walking by the river. Then Maching saw a floating banana tree.
Look, a banana tree! Let's go get it, Pagong!
Since Maching was the one that saw the tree first, Maching insisted that he will take home the trunk that already had some leaves, thinking that it will soon bear fruit, while Pagong, he was given the part with the roots. They parted ways and planted the banana trees that they owned. Pagong planted his near the riverbank, while Maching planted his in the woods. Every day, they watered the plants. Days went by. Maching's plant died. The leaves withered and the trunk decayed. Meanwhile, Pagong's plant slowly grew leaves and grew even bigger until it bore fruit. Maching came to Pagong and he wept. "Pagong, my plant died." Pagong kindly answered, "Oh, poor Maching, don't be sad. Look at my plant. It has become a fruitful banana tree. If you help me gather the fruit, I will share my harvest with you."
Wow, really? Let me climb the tree for you then.
Maching answered excitedly. Once Maching reached the top of the tree, he greedily ate all of the bananas. Pagong shouted, "Hey, Maching, give me some." The naughty Maching answered,
No chance! It is all mine now!
Pagong was so angry, he began to stick many thorns on the tree trunk. After Maching felt full, Maching went down the tree. Not long after, he screamed in pain.
Ouch! Ouch! There are so many thorns! Pagong, you will pay for this!
Maching sat on the top of a coconut shell to remove the thorns. Then, the next thing he knew, Pagong bit his tail. Then Pagong hid under the coconut shell. In a rage, Maching lifted the coconut shell.
You will pay for what you have done to me! I will cook you now!
Pagong acted cool. Sounds like a plan. When you cook me, I will turn red and be more attractive.
Maching replied, I know! What about if I just throw you in the river and let you drown there?
Pagong pretended to be scared. No, not the river. Please, I will drown there. Maching threw Pagong into the river with vengeance. Once Pagong hit the water, he laughed. Maching, you slow-minded. Did you not know I live in water? Maching scratched his head in confusion and immediately regretted all of his actions.